learning about common factoring. Common factoring is the opposite of expanding, but you're adding brackets instead. So the first example we have here is 6x minus 12. So before we can common factor, we're going to have to find the GCF. And another way, the GCF stands for the greatest common factor. So we're going to have to find the greatest common factor between 6x minus 12. So the greatest common factor that can be divided by 6 and 12 is 3. So first you're just going to write GCF equals 3, because 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So since we have our greatest common factor, we're going to now put the greatest common factor outside of the brackets and simplify the inside. So 6x minus 12, since the GCF is 3, you're going to put the greatest common factor outside the bracket and simplify inside. So you're basically just going to divide 3 by 6x minus 12. So again, 6 divided by 3 is 2. And don't forget to include the x because there's no greatest common factor with the variables here. And negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. So this is the second example of common factoring. Here we have is 2xz plus 4x plus 6x. Here, remember again, the first step before common factoring is to find the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor we have here is 2, because 2 can only be divided by 2, and 4 can be divided by 2, and 6 can be divided by 2. So we're going to put the 2 outside the bracket, and we're going to simplify 6. So xz plus 2x plus 6 plus 3x. But in this case, we're missing a step. You probably think that you can only take a number out, but you can also take a variable out as well, because the common factoring variable in this equation is x. So it would just be 2xz plus 2 plus 3, because the z wouldn't go out because there's no common variable between 2xz plus 4x plus 6x. So the only common variable can be an x, so you can take the x out as well. So to check if you're correct with taking out the variables, you can expand and simplify. So it'll be 2x plus z plus 2 plus 3. So you're going to expand this, learn from multiplying binomials. So to me, 2 times 2 is going to give us, So 2 times 1, just pretend there's 1 there, so it would be 2x z, and then 2 times 2 would be positive 4x, and then 2 times 2 would be 6x. So here, we common factor.